welcome back to Arctic RC and Arctic Director. You all saw the outdoor maiden flights, and today we are going to test it inside the gym. I think it will fly great, but then again we have to see, because I still haven't changed the link position in the link horns. So I'm going to take it for a round and then change them afterwards. Well, it doesn't stall, but it feels like it's stalling when you have a lower throttle. I'm afraid to gain too much throttle indoors, because even though it's a small plane, it really needed some punch to get those turns right. In safe mode, they have added the side rudder to the ailerons, and in the normal gyro mode, it's not. The other thing that I noticed was that the side rudder is slightly off when I'm using the safe mode, but when I get it back in gyro mode, it's like it's level. If I turn off the safe mode and try to go to the left, so if I put it on safe mode, it goes straight forward. Wow. So they actually took that into consideration when they set up the plane from the factory, that they gave the safe mode a bit of side rudder. Of course, I'm standing in front of it now, but this makes more sense. When you give throttle, the plane will try to go to the left. So the side rudder is compensating for that movement. So in safe mode, you will have a slightly offset side rudder to the right. So it will try to force the plane this way when the plane itself wants to go that way. So a nice feature, again from E-Flite. Also, as with the P47, which has differential rates installed or put into the gyro. Really slow and smooth flying. Okay, this was the safe mode, and it was quite beautiful to fly it in safe mode. It was smooth, no hard transitions. It kept altitude when I let go of the aileron, and it was also self-correcting or self-leveling. And it flies straight forward, holding the position, no turns or no abnormalities. I have to expand my vocabulary. I have to expand my vocabulary. Flying with the AS3X X3, you have, of course, more authority. You can roll the plane. I'm not sure that I'm going to try to roll the plane inside, because I tried it outside and I felt that there were sort of docile rolls. So I'm going to try to change the link position in the ailerons to get more authority. But then again, in safe mode, this plane flies really, really great. And even inside here, this gym is not that big, but hell, it really, really performs well. So I can safely recommend this plane for beginners, though it's smart to have 2 radios and a teacher together with you if you've never flown anything before. If you have been flying and you have succeeded with your landings, this is a great way to really push forward, because this can be also a very beautiful aerobatic airplane. Though it's small, we know that it handles wind quite good. That is for today. Thank you for watching Arctic RC, and thank you for watching our reviews. Thank you to Elna for filming, and thank you for myself for trying to speak great English, making myself understandable. Elna is laughing now, so that's why the camera is shaking. I think the English will be better, and that it will improve, or that it will improve during the years. So enough about that. Have a great day. Bye.